Welcome to my channel. Learn with Rose. Today I am going to talk about my favorite 15 positive quotes. Don't smother each other. No one can grow up in the shade. The doors of wisdom never shut. There are hurts so deep that one cannot reach or heal them with words. To be natural is such a very difficult pose to keep up. Music is the language of the spirit. It opens the secret of life and brings peace. Surround yourself with only people who are going to lift you higher. A warm smile is the universal language of kindness. Courage is very important like a muscle. It is strengthened by use. She who laughs most learns best. If you have knowledge, let others light their candles with it. No one can earn $1 million honestly. The quality of your life is the quality of your relationship. Change your thoughts and change your world. Curiosity is the wick in the candle of learning. Kindness is the language which the blind can read and the deaf can hear. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.